experiment single V butt joint. Aim to prepare a single V butt joint as per dimension given in the sketch by MMAW, Manual Metal Arc Welding. Material required are raw material, mild steel plate 100 mm into 50 mm into 6 mm. Tools required: steel rule, scriber, flat file, tri-square. Sequence of operations: marking, filing, welding, finishing. Procedure: take 2 mild steel plates of size 100 mm into 50 mm into 6 mm. Next, fix the workpieces one by one in bench vise and file the faces of workpieces using flat file as per dimension. Then mark the pieces using steel rule and scriber as per drawing. Again, fix the workpieces one by one in bench vise and file the pieces to get the required shape of the edge as per drawing. Equipment required: AC transformer with all welding accessories like electrode holder, electrode, cables, and flat tongue, chipping hammer, wire brush, welding screen, safety goggles. Welding procedure: select the appropriate welding fixture and hold the pieces as per drawing. At some selected places of the joint, perform some weld spots for perfect alignment of the job. Start the welding from one end and proceed to another end. Like this, continue the welding operation for one more time to get weld bead. Allow the welded joint for certification, and after cooling, chip off the slag from welded joint with the help of chipping hammer and clean the joint by wire brush. Result: single V butt joint is prepared as per given dimension.